Good evening, everyone. My name is Cadet Michael Roberts, and today I'll be presenting lead soil contamination here at West Point. In the bottom left corner, you'll see a picture that shows a hot map of areas on West Point that last year's team conducted and found. Their study was to see where their hotspots on West Point could be located by using average samples of a specific area. However, this year, myself, along with Cadet Ben Fernquist, are going to examine where are the centralized hotspots within the ones that they found last year. The two hotspots on campus include the dean's house, her front yard to be exact, and the water tower by David Field. So the main reason that we think there is lead soil contamination is because the main route that used to run through West Point before the completion of Route 9W, this route ran on to Thayer and Washington Road. The dean's house is on the corner of Thayer, Washington Road, and Brewington Road. And an overview of her house can be seen in the bottom right corner. On 04 October, Cadet Fernquist and I went out to her front yard, collected a total of 30 samples. These 30 samples included 6 that were along the house in the water drains, under a level of soil that was covered by mulch. And then the remaining 24 we grabbed from a grid that we created in her front yard. We collected 30 samples for it to be statistically significant, and we will continue to collect more as we progress with our project. The dean's front yard is currently being renovated. They have put down new seed, so we weren't allowed to collect from the majority of the yard. However, in the areas that we did collect, we see that there's lead soil contamination that is below the EPA standard of 400 parts per million. Our levels found there was hotspots around the dean's front yard, more specifically closer to the house, that exceeded the EPA level of 400. With our readings having a plus or minus 2 standard deviations. This here, we see that there is definitely evidence that points to lead soil contamination. However, as we continue to progress, we will see how much difference there is with the hotspots and a centralized hotspot, and also the difference between an ICP reading and an XRF reading. Thank you for watching this, and I hope that I can provide more information in the question and answer portion.